make an HTML tutorial here. HTML is very easy, and it's the first step to learn web development. HTML is very easy. I can teach you in 5 to 6 hours the whole of HTML, and you'll have confidence in you to build anything vis-a-vis web development. We'll start with HTML, then we'll move to CSS and then JavaScript, PHP, and then we'll create a couple of projects, if not more than that. So I will teach you one by one HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, jQuery also, then PHP, and then MySQL. You don't have to learn a lot of MySQL. We just need to learn how you can connect your database with your website so that it is a dynamic website and not a static website, so that data can be pulled from the database and can be shown on the website. So let's start. What we're going to do is first see some 5 steps, and then I'll explain you everything. Let me type first. Now let me explain this first. First let me save it. I will save it the desktop. Okay, new folder, then give it a name, website, and then save it with index.html. I mean, you don't have to type .html because there will be an HTML file here. You can see HTML, and why I gave the name index, it is a standard, but I'll explain you how you can give a different name and why index is chosen. Let's save it first. Okay, now let me explain this code first. HTML, that is Hypertext Markup language, everything is enclosed between these two tags. These are called tags. This is an opening tag, this is a closing tag. You can tell if it is a closing or not by this sign slash. Everything inside it will be your website. Now this head, what is this head? This head is for declaration, for linking this file to another file. We will see in some time how we will link this file to a CSS file, and then a JavaScript file, and then many more. So it is used for declarations, it is used for linking. So this title is what is, let me show you. I was listening to this song, Enigma song. This is your title. You can see YouTube here. This is your title, the Enigma Greatest Hits. This is YouTube. This is the title of the page. So whatever I will type here, it will come on the tab. This is called tab. You can see YouTube, and this how this icon comes, I will explain you later. So let's give it anything. Let's website, save it. You can save it by Control S, or you can come here in the file and save website. Now whatever you see on a site, whatever you can see on a site, whatever you can click on a site, the colors and everything, the content will come under this body section. This head is for only declaration. This is for the understanding what is happening in the backend. But whatever you see on the website will come between these two tags, body. Okay, so let me show you how a simple website is made. This is my first website. Okay, save it, Control S. Now go to the folder where you have saved it. You can see this, open with Google Chrome. See, this is my first website. This is coming from here. This is my first website. What is this? H1. This is the one of the headings. I will explain this all later. H1, what is P, and all the tags I will explain later. So this means that your font will be a little big and it will be bold. And I was talking about this thing. You can see it is written YouTube over here. That's the title of the page, and our title of the page is website. See, website title. And how this icon comes, this is we will gonna learn this in the coming tutorials.